Hey everyone, welcome back to the Jarrett Bay Insider. I'm your host, RV Hodge, and today's episode is going to be a little bit different than what we've done in the past, and I'm not just talking about bad hair. We're fortunate to be able to continue working here at the boatyard, but we have suspended some of our regular things, and that includes tours, but that only includes in-person tours. Today, we're going to take a look back into the archives. So something we don't see a lot of, because it happens kind of behind the scenes, is the actual alignment of the structure of the shaft tubes. They line up between essentially what is the hub and what is the engine. The strut pattern, which we make to match the exact space it has to be in, we make a duplicate, we send that one off to the foundry, they cast struts for us. Our strut is designed to set into a recess, and the struts are fully custom. So there's a strut that is designed for every given boat. In this case, it's got its own unique strut. This strut is designed around the line that is what we call the shaft line, the shaft center line. But there are a lot of important factors. There's a prop tip clearance for how far the prop is away from the hull. There's how far the prop is away from the bearing in the strut, the angle of the strut. There's a lot of stuff that goes into this. And this all gets designed with a little bit of adjustment in it so that we can make it all work at the very last minute. Probably too much to really cover in a segment like this, but at least it's a glimpse into a world that is very technical, very fascinating, and it's really what makes the boat go. We hope you've enjoyed this special episode of the Jarrett Bay Insider. We have some really cool stuff coming up in the future, and like you, we're all looking forward to getting back to some level of normal. But in the meantime, stay safe, stay positive. We'll catch you next time.